then you have there your iliopsoas, okay, iliopsoas. Then you have the pectineus. Then you have adductor longus. Then you have gracilis. So you have the quadriceps femoris. So you have the vastus medialis, rectus femoris, vastus lateralis. Okay? And then kani siyang murag makuan niya portion, this is the tensor fascia lata. Okay? And then di na lang ako i-remove based lang, magubaan niya siya. Basta ilang man yung rectus stem is your vastus intermedius. So, same sa other side, i-remove ang sartorius. So, makita na your rectus femoris. Rectus femoris, quadriceps femoris. So, you have the vastus medialis, rectus femoris, then your vastus lateralis. Okay? And then, you have your adductor longus. Okay. So, sa leg, anterior lang sa tatanan, you have the, hindi na siya maklaro. You have the tibialis anterior. Then, you have there your, kanisa nga portion here, kinailawan man to siya yung extensor hallucis longus. Then, you have extensor digitorum longus. So, same sa other side. You have tibialis anterior. And then, wait ha. Tibialis anterior, nilatabunan gihapon, extensor hallucis. Then you have longus, then extensor digitorum longus. Then, sa lateral side, okay. So, sa lateral side, so, you have there peroneus longus, ang brevis, wala na nakita. And then, sa posterior, okay, let's start sa taas. You have gluteus maximus, then you have gluteus medius, and then you have hamstrings. So, you have the lateral hamstring, so you have the long head of the biceps femoris. Yeah, short head of the biceps femoris, and then you have the semi-tendinosus, and then wala man guys semi-membranosus, okay, wala siya. Then sa ubos, you have your medial head of the gastrocnemius, lateral head of the gastrocnemius, Achilles tendon, then you have kanina sa kilid, soleus, okay, soleus. So, kung ato niya siyang i-remove, wala. Sige. You have there your popliteus, this one, popliteus. And then you have the flexor digitorum longus, tibialis posterior, flexor hallucis longus. Then, sa other side, same, you have the long head of the biceps femoris. Then, you have there your semi-tendinosus ragi hapon. Then, medial head of the gastro, lateral head of the gastrocnemius. Then, sa foot, ayaw na lang guys, kilibog kayo. Okay? Sanay na mag-study.